Okay, so now the fun times begin because we are now going to test the comment trigger. First of all, I will show you that my newest chatbot does not have any subscribers yet. So you will see this updating in real time. So let's head over towards the Facebook post. Let's go towards the post itself. As you can see, this is the post. And let's make sure, if you want to test, that you switch to your personal profile. Most times if you go towards your Facebook page, you will be logged in as the Facebook page itself. So if you comment then and try to test it out, you will not receive a PM because the chatbot cannot send a message towards its own page. So make sure that you switch to your personal profile, and then let's head over, go towards the comment, and let's basically enter the word sale. And let's see what happens. So I've just responded with the word sale, but it will take a little bit of time for the chatbot to reply, like the message and send the PM, because if we take a look inside the backend flow again, and if we go towards the comment trigger, you will see that we have the reply with delay in random between 1 and 2 minutes. So I will get back to you soon as the chatbot has replied. So it has just been over 1 minute, and you will see that if we refresh the page, you will see that the comment itself has been liked by the page, and we now also received a reply to our comment. If we take a look at basically the PM, you will see that we now have the PM that we set up. So we are so excited to see you here. Press the button below to claim the 50% off coupon. And if we press it, you will now see that we get our coupon message with the button shop now. If we take a look at the backend, you will see if we go towards the bot user and press the reload, you will see that a new user has just been added, namely myself in this case. So this is the way that you set up common keyword triggers, which has several advantages, because if we take a look at the Facebook post itself, you will see that there will be many replies, right? Because we basically double the amount of replies that we get on a specific Facebook post this way. So people get something as a lead magnet, they comment, the chatbot comments, there is a lot of interactivity and engagement on a particular Facebook post, which also boosts your organic reach inside of Facebook news feeds as well. And in turn, this increases your Facebook post reach even more. So this is a fantastic way to not only build leads, but also increase your organic reach and engagement on your Facebook page. In the last bonus video, we will also show you how we can use the comment keyword trigger to get replies and interact with people on your live session.